Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today we take you on a journey to a one-of-a-kind retreat where modern design meets the beauty of nature. Imagine waking up to the gentle sounds of a waterfall, just steps away from a cozy and stylish shipping container home. This compact yet stunning home redefines sustainable living, blending minimalist architecture with the tranquility of its natural surroundings. Whether it's a peaceful escape or an eco-friendly dream home, this hidden gem proves that small spaces can offer grand experiences. Get ready to explore every incredible detail of this shipping container tiny house with waterfall, only on Alvinsa Studio. A new one is added to the houses created with shipping containers every day. Container homes have become so popular that people have started building container homes to rent out. Not too far away, there weren't many houses built with shipping containers just a few years ago. It is now possible to see thousands of container houses in almost every country. The most beautiful of these houses are mostly located in the United States. With these houses that have been thought about and spent money, homeowners can also earn money if they want. When it comes to making money, the design and facilities of the houses are constantly being improved, and the best facilities are offered to the people who will stay. In the container house we will talk about today, even a waterfall was built under the house. Isn't it something that not everyone can think of? Green Creek Shipyard 2.0. The Schlabach siblings, Reese, Heather, and Landon, have been hard at work on their newest project. They've put in hours of creative design to come up with the perfect look for this business. Those who hear this name will remember the host's other home, Green Creek Shipyard. Shipping container homes are rented by B&B Breeze Short-Term Rental Management. There are hundreds of 40-foot shipping container homes that we review on our video. But I have to say that the work this team has done is really great. Let's talk a little bit about Green Creek Shipyard 2.0. One 40-foot recycled shipping container was used in the construction of the container house. With the addition of the roof and the veranda, it gained this wonderful appearance. It is a fact that black color is very popular in shipping container houses. But this house, with its color, location above the ground, and waterfall, says that I am perfect in almost everything. Just below the container house is a hammock where you can relax with the sounds of the waterfall. The interior design of the container house is just as wonderful as its exterior. The house has a unique rustic interior design. There is a complete wooden dominance in the house. The harmony of black and wooden details is perfect. This container home in Columbus, North Carolina is not just a destination, it's a complete experience. If you want to experience this experience, you have to pay $342 per night. If you're thinking about living in a shipping container home, be sure to check out our huge selection of designs for inspiration. You're sure to find something that suits your needs and taste. So if you're interested in learning more about shipping container homes, be sure to check out the Alvinsa Studio today. What are your favorite shipping container homes? As we come to the end of this journey, we hope you've been inspired by this stunning fusion of modern design and natural beauty. This tiny shipping container home proves that small spaces can offer grand experiences, creating a perfect retreat in harmony with nature. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more breathtaking designs from around the world. Stay inspired, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring extraordinary spaces.